Hi, I'm Nigel Roberts, leading biosecurity officer with the Established Invasive Animal team at Agriculture Victoria. In this video, we'll be looking at secondary management techniques to help control feral pigs on your property. Please note the techniques discussed in this video should only be considered as part of an integrated pest management program based around baiting and trapping, and using them in isolation will rarely achieve desired results. Always consider your situation and what technique or combination of techniques best suit your property. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this information helpful. Exclusion fencing is a non-lethal option landholders can use to help protect high-value areas on their property from feral pigs. Exclusion fencing for feral pigs can be very expensive and may not be a practical or economic way to protect large areas of land. There is also extra cost and time involved in regularly maintaining and ensuring exclusion fencing is in good working condition. Feral pigs are large and very strong animals that can cause extensive damage to fence systems over time. Please consider this option carefully and assess if it will be an effective method for your property. Aerial shooting works best on large inaccessible areas with low trees and minimal canopy coverage, but it is not that cost effective when feral pigs occur in low numbers. It can be a humane option for rapid population knockdowns before conducting trapping or baiting programs. Effectiveness of aerial shooting can be increased when neighbours join together to cover larger areas. In Victoria, aerial shooting is primarily used on public land. Ground shooting is another management option available in Victoria. Ground shooting is target specific and humane if done correctly. However, it only often removes a small proportion of feral pigs on your land. Additionally, feral pigs can become harder to shoot as they become wary, often giving landholders a false sense of success. Landholders may use non-toxic baits to lure pigs to certain locations for ground shooting, but again, shooting is not an effective standalone technique for broad-scale control. If you are conducting shooting on your property, you must adhere to all relevant safety and legal requirements. Shooting should always be undertaken humanely in accordance with the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. The control methods discussed in this video should be considered as complementary options to baiting or trapping as part of an integrated pest management program. Exclusion fencing may be used to help protect high-value areas on your property, aerial shooting for larger inaccessible properties with high feral pig numbers, and ground shooting for smaller properties as follow-up to baiting and/or trapping. Thanks for watching, and please see the other videos in this series for further information on baiting and trapping feral pigs.